Norbert's Gambit is a strategy to minimize currency conversion fees when trading between Canadian and US dollars on Questrade. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Questrade. Access your account via Questrade's website or mobile app and log in. Buy a cross-listed stock. Identify a stock that trades on both Canadian and US exchanges. Purchase the stock using Canadian dollar. This will involve placing a buy order for the stock on the Canadian side. Wait for settlement. Allow the trade to settle. This usually takes 2 business days. Sell the stock in the US. After settlement, sell the same stock on the US exchange. Ensure that the sale is executed in US dollars. Convert US dollars to Canadian dollars. The proceeds from your sale in US dollars will be in your Questrade USD account. You can now convert these US dollars back to Canadian dollars within Questrade at a more favorable rate, avoiding the higher fees usually associated with currency conversion. Verify the transfer. Check your Canadian dollar account to ensure the conversion is completed successfully.